Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get mention feature on WhatsApp status. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Mention on WhatsApp is a feature that allows user to mention or direct attention to a specific contact in their status they create. This feature was introduced to facilitate interaction and communication on the platform, especially when sharing information or stories and status. And what if you want to get this feature, mention feature? It's so simple. All you need to do is you can just update your WhatsApp on the latest version. You can update your WhatsApp app on the Play Store or App Store. You can check. You can search for WhatsApp. If there is an option to update, you can just update your WhatsApp. After that, after you update your WhatsApp to the latest version, you can open the WhatsApp. You can go to update section and you can create status. You can create status on your WhatsApp. And you'll find there is a mention option on your WhatsApp. You can mention your friends on your WhatsApp on your status. It's so simple, right? So that is how to get mention options, mention feature on your WhatsApp status. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.